Hello, hello. Look, picture 1 and picture 2. Where is the doll? Look. In the picture 1, the doll is in the toy box. But in the picture 2, the doll is on the toy box. Where is the bag? Look. In the picture 1, the bag is on the door, but in the picture 2, the bag is next to the toy box. Where is the car? Look, in the picture 1, the car is on the computer, but in the picture 2, the car is next to the computer. Where is the train? Look, in the picture 1, the train is on the shelf. But in the picture 2, the train is on the toy box. Where is the eraser? Look, in the picture 1, eraser is on the table. But in the picture 2, the eraser is under the table. Where is the pen? Look, in the picture 1, the pen is on the chair. But in the picture 2, the pen is on the table. Where is the ball? Look, in the picture 1, the ball is under the table. But in the picture 2, the ball is under the chair. That's all. Thank you.